Hello everyone. Welcome back to Inside Edge Lab, where we discuss data analytics, machine learning, SQL, Power BI, and Excel in simple and practical way. So, as we have started our new series to learn Microsoft Power BI from basic till the advanced. So, here in this series, you are not going to learn only Power BI, but also this series will help you to learn Power BI as well as it will help you to crack your PL300 certification as well. So, let's try to see the same. In this video, we are going to see how to connect comma separated file, that is CSV file, to your Power BI. As I have opened this blank Power BI report, so here we are going to see how to connect CSV file to your Power BI. So as if I expand this data pane, I have not connected any file to my Power BI report. So if you want to connect CSV file, select get data option, click on more. You will find many data source. As we are connecting file, so click on file, and here you will able to see text/CSV. Select that, click on connect. Choose your directory wherever you have that CSV file. As I have this comma delimited file, that is CSV file here, so just select that particular file and click on open. It is connecting. So see, it has selected that particular file and it has by default identified the delimiter. If in your case it is not identify that particular delimiter, just expand this and select your delimiter from here. So as in our case, it has identified delimiter, that is comma by default. Then click on transform data. Make sure whatever the data you have in that particular column, according to that data, it has taken data type as it is. So here, as this is salesperson name, so it should be in categorical. As here branch is there, so it should be in text. As numbers are there, that is actual sales, and here also sales target, these are the number. So it has taken properly data type. So for salesperson it has taken text data type, for branch it has taken again text data type, and for actual sales and target sales it has taken numeric data type. And simply click on close and apply. Now see, it is loading that particular file to the Power BI. Now see, earlier in my data pane there was nothing. Now you can see it has connected that comma separated file or comma delimited file to the Power BI. Now if I go to data view or table view, you can say, now I am able to see the data from CSV file. Now I can use this file to create the visualization based on the client requirement. So see here, as I have this data related to the branch and salesperson. So if I want to create any visual by using this data, just let's try to create a decomposition tree. So just click on decomposition tree, and I want to create a decomposition tree for actual sales distribution. So I will drag and drop this actual sales to the analyze, and I want to bifurcate this actual sales by the branch. So I will drag and drop this branch to the explain by, and further I want to bifurcate it by the salesperson as well. So again I will drag and drop this salesperson to the explain by option. If I expand this, I am able to see this plus icon. I will click on that. I want to expand this first by the branch. I will select branch. Now see, it has bifurcate this actual sales by the branch, and now for London I want to bifurcate it by the salesperson. Now see, I am able to bifurcate my sales as per the requirement. So this is the way you can connect data from your CSV file and you can create any visualization you want. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to check out other tutorials related to the Power BI on our YouTube channel, and make sure you have subscribed for more such video. Thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video.